Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Rocket Espresso Milano R58, and pretty much what we did is we replaced the safety valve, being this one right here, and the vacuum release valve, this one also. These are your older parts. And we did a tune-up, a semi-tune-up on the front replacing the gasket that goes right here, replacing the shower screen, and doing descaling and cleaning cycles. So pretty much what we're going to do is do a test shot. We're using our test coffee, and this has a bottomless portafilter. Then we are going to lift the lever up. See, you go to 9 bars, pretty good. So they start coming out. I did not calibrate this, so don't worry if it runs a little too fast. Looking good. Then we are going to test the hot water, or we're going to test the steam first. As you can see, very good steam coming out of this. And I did re-lubricate these. And we're going to test the hot water. Everything's working well. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching.